Hello, hello, hello. Hi everyone. If you're returning back, thank you. And if you're new here, my name is Pri and I vlog about my traveling, my dancing, and just basic daily living. So welcome and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I have to tell you guys, this is a very aesthetically pleasing city that I have ever been in. It was so beautiful, the weather was perfect, and I have to tell you that the photos, the people, the adventures, everything was just so perfect about this day, and I have enjoyed the very best moments in this city. When we went, it was a Fringe festival, and it was our very first experience, which was really nice. This view, that castle, that fountain, oh my god. It was so beautiful to see it in person. I absolutely saw this on my Pinterest and all over TikTok, and I knew that this was definitely a place I needed to visit. We did go into the castle. It was so nice. It is a lot of walking for the day. My feet were so tired and I wore boots on that day also, but you will be spending a lot of time inside the castle. It's massive. There's a lot of things to see, and the views are very beautiful from inside the castle. You can overlook the entire city, which is absolutely amazing. Just look at that. You can see the entire city. Because of the festival, it was a little crowded, but it was still very fun. This was my best view of the castle and the fountain, and highly recommending to anybody that visits. That's the view from the castle, overlooking all of the entire city, and it was just so perfect this day. It looks so beautiful, so dreamy, and it's absolutely a sight to see. A lot of walking, so you best wear your comfortable shoes if you're walking the castle, but it is so worth it. It was windy but sunny, and I guess that's just the weather in UK, but yeah, it was just beautiful, and I'm so happy that I got to see and be inside the castle. Another site for your Instagram pictures is a very beautiful monument to see. We did also get to see a bit about the history, and it was very brand new knowledge to myself, so a very insightful experience, this one. So yeah, definitely recommending to get a bit of insight. This is my beautiful friend Bryce, and we all went on this trip together, so it was a very great experience. The train ride for us was 2.5 hours, so bring on some games. If you're on a long train ride, look, he just hit his nose. But if you're traveling with friends, it's always fun to just chat or take a nap, and it was really amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can also check out my other videos.